What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your team logo as well as your team name on the ESPN Fantasy app. It is super simple to do right here on mobile, and you could upload an image from the web as well as select many of the different images that they have pre-built into ESPN. So you will see I'm on my team here. I am on fantasy baseball, but this works for all different fantasy sports. What you're going to do though is you are going to click on your current logo. The hat logo that I have currently for my team is going to take you to this menu here, and you will click edit in the top right corner. It'll take you to this menu. Then you can customize your team name as well as your team abbreviation, and you will see that you could customize your logo. As I said before, there are all sorts of free logo packs that are sponsored for free by different sorts of companies, and they have their own images that you could choose from. I know there's some Star Wars images or different cartoon characters that you could select from, and there is also a button right above that that has custom logo. Use an image directly from the web that you can upload. It's not like you could have an image directly from your camera roll, unfortunately. You need the link, but it is possible to do if you'd like to do so. That is all I have for you today, though. If you did find it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.